Don't pay anybody money to start affiliate marketing or digital marketing because it's something that you can really start for free. I will show you how to create your free account and how to access your marketplace and how you can also start earning from this affiliate marketing or digital marketing in this video. It's true that affiliate marketing is a real legit way to make money online even if you search it on Google. But you don't really need money to start it, just as people used to tell you that you need 20k, 30k, or even 70k, or even 5k to start affiliate marketing. No, I'm going to show you how to get all these things for free and start earning from affiliate marketing or digital marketing. I believe you also know that affiliate marketing or digital marketing is just you recommending digital products in the online space and you get paid per sale. Now, here is how you can create your free account to get access to this affiliate market. So here is a platform that helps you to start affiliate marketing for free without paying any money at all, anywhere you are in the world. So if you go to Google and you search for Cabos, www.cabos.com, you can see the spelling. So you search. So you can see how the platform looks like, and it's an amazing platform as well. So you scroll up and click get started. Now it's for free, so you don't need to pay any money on this particular website to promote their digital products, and you get paid as well. So all you need to do is you click create new account. I want to create a new account to show you that yes, how you are going to do all and how you'll be able to access their own marketplace as well. So you add your name. Let me just add my name. Then I'll also add my email as well. I'll also add my email. Then you add your country. Maybe if you are from Nigeria, you can add Nigeria. If you are from Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, you can also add as well. So I am from Nigeria. I will add Nigeria. Then I'll also add my phone number as well, my contacts. Then I'll also select my password too. Okay, so after I have selected all these things, I'll also confirm my password as well. So after I have added all these things, I will click agree to terms and condition. Then you click register. They will send you OTP for you to confirm this your email. And then one of the reasons why I like this particular platform is that you can create account, free account in 30 seconds. They send me OTP, so I'm going to go to my email and enter this OTP. So I'll just go to my email to see the OTP that I do receive from them. I'll enter the OTP and my account will be automatically created. So let me just go to my email. So that's the first one. You can see the email from Cabos. So here is the email. I'll just copy the code. I'll copy the code, then go back and enter the code. Then I'll go back and enter the code and paste the code here. Then click verify. I'll click verify, and you will see automatically my account has been created. So you can see what they wrote above there. Good job, your account has been verified, please log in. Okay, I'm going to click login. Then you can see my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and you can see how it looks like. Now here is how you can see your marketplace to be able to promote any product of your choice and be able to earn from this affiliate marketing or digital marketing. Then you have to click this three line by your left hand side. You click it, then you go to marketplace. You can see different things here. You can see dashboard, you can see leadership dashboard, you can see transaction, receipt, sale, withdrawal. You can see become a vendor. For instance, if you want to become a vendor, that means you want to list your own course or your own product for other people to also recommend and make money with it. Okay, but I don't want to do that now. I want to see my marketplace to also copy my own affiliate link and start to make money. So for you to add your bank account or your bank details to be able to withdraw all your earnings, all you need to do is you go to your dashboard again and click this arrow above there. Then you also click profile, the first one. You will see you have to click add bank details. Okay, so you enter your bank details, you select your bank name. For instance, my bank name is Fidelity. I'm using Fidelity. I'll just select Fidelity. So I will select Fidelity, then I will enter my account number, which is 63 12 11 31 45. Then you can see my account name will automatically pop up. Okay, then I'll also add my WhatsApp number as well, okay, for them to reach me anytime, anywhere. Okay, so I'll enter my WhatsApp number. So after that, I will click save. Okay, you can see account details has been saved successfully. So now if you start to promote any of these digital products on their marketplace and you earn, whenever you made a sale, all your money will be transferred to that account you provided. So if you add your bank details and everything is set, you have to go to your dashboard to now see how everything will looks like. You can see today's sale. That's if you make any sale, it will appear there, whether 2, 3 or 4, it will all appear there. So you can also see your today's affiliate earnings. All your earnings for today will appear there. Maybe you earn 50,000 or any amount at all of them will appear in that particular section. And you can also see total affiliate sales. That's all the sales you have generated, all the products that you have promoted, how many sales you made, whether 50, 100, 1000 or even 2, all of them will appear on this total affiliate sales. Then you can also see total withdrawal. These are the place where all the withdrawals you have made or requests for will appear. Okay, so it is an amazing one. So what to do now for figures to appear on this dashboard is to go to your marketplace, then you click promote and copy any of these products that you like. And how will you copy? If you click promote, then you scroll down, you will see this icon which is copy. Just click it and you can see affiliate link copied. So you can now go and paste it to any of these your friends and you will start to generate massive sale and massive money for yourself. Remember, what you do get in every of this sale is 50%. Some products have 80% commission as well. So that means if a particular product is 15,000, you are getting the 50 or 80% of that 15,000. That is what affiliate marketing is all about, and that's how you see many people are making millions from it. Don't see it as a big something, because I've already documented video that will help you to also learn how to promote your affiliate links and make so much money for yourself, and you will see that in this particular video. So this particular video, you're going to learn everything on how to make so much sale. Maybe you can start even with your friends, or how you are going to promote your affiliate links and make so much money for yourself. So feel free to also ask any question if you have any in comment section as well. I'll create video to answer you that question, or I'll also reply you with a test. And if you care to also join our community, I mean to scale up, maybe you have joined affiliate marketing but you don't really know your left and right, or you want to make more sales for yourself, just join our community where we share all these things, all guides, all ebooks, all videos for free that will help you to scale up and make so much for yourself. So please click this video to now learn how to promote your affiliate links and how to also get customers as well. So see you in this video.